Stock market advice that can benefit you. Learning how to invest in the stock market is a useful skill for anyone, as it can provide a rainy day fund or an entirely new career. Being flexible, determined, and good at research can help anyone to do well. Watch this video for more tips on how to be successful with investments. Prior to using a brokerage firm or using a trader, figure out exactly what fees they will charge. Learn more about entry and exit fees before signing up. These fees will add up to quite a lot over a long period. Do not time the stock market. Over the course of history, it has been shown that steady investments over time yield the greatest returns. Dedicate a small percentage of disposable income to investing, at first. Put this amount into the stock market and continue to do so regularly. Short selling is a great method of trading to try. This is an option where you engage in loaning stock shares. An investor will borrow shares through an agreement of delivering the same quantity of those shares at a future date. At this point, the investor sells them so that they can be purchased again with the prices of the stock drop. Rebalance your portfolio on a regular basis to make sure that you have your money allocated correctly. At least once a year, go over your portfolio to ensure that you do not have too many assets in one sector. That way, if one sector performs poorly, other areas of your portfolio can compensate for those losses. As said in the beginning of this video, anyone can learn how to invest in the stock market with determination and flexibility. Buying high, selling low, and remaining patient are all important tips. Remember the advice in this video, so that you can profit from investments in the stock market today. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest, and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.